What if I told you that one tiny habit could change absolutely everything in your life? It sounds like an exaggeration, right? But the truth is, you don't need to do more. You just need to be 1% better each day. If you feel stuck, overwhelmed, or like you're constantly falling behind, then listen very carefully. You don't need a massive heroic effort to turn things around. You just need a 1% improvement. Think about it. Why do so many New Year's resolutions fail by February? Why do we give up on our biggest goals so quickly? It's because most people aim way too big, way too fast. We tell ourselves we'll start on Monday, or when we feel motivated, or when the time is just right. We get obsessed with the idea of instant, dramatic results. And while we're busy waiting for that perfect moment, that lightning strike of motivation, what happens? Nothing. Absolutely nothing changes. We stay exactly where we are. The secret that successful people understand is that real, lasting success isn't built on giant leaps. It's built on a foundation of small, consistent steps. Let's break it down with some simple math. If you commit to reading just 10 pages of a book every single day, it might not feel like much. But over a year, that adds up to 3,650 pages. That's about 15 books a year. Suddenly, you're a well-read person, all from just 10 pages a day. What if you decide to save just $1 every day? It seems insignificant, right? But what you're really doing is building a lifelong saving habit. That habit, that consistency, is worth far more than the dollar itself. It rewires your brain to think about your financial future. Or maybe you want to get stronger. Start with just 5 push-ups today. Can you do 5? Of course you can. But if you add 1 push-up each week in a few months, you'll be doing 50 without even breaking a sweat. It's the magic of compounding. Small, almost unnoticeable actions, when repeated over time, compound into massive, life-altering results. Here's another powerful side effect of tiny habits. They build confidence. When you first start, nobody notices. You won't see a dramatic change in the mirror after one day of healthy eating. Your bank account won't explode after saving a few dollars. It's quiet, invisible progress, but slowly something shifts inside you. You start to feel better. You get stronger. Your skills sharpen. Your mindset transforms from "I can't" to "I can." The success that everyone else eventually sees is just the tip of the iceberg. The real work, the real transformation happens below the surface in those quiet moments of daily discipline. You are proving to yourself, day after day, that you are the kind of person who shows up. This is why consistency will always beat motivation. Motivation is a fleeting emotion. It's unreliable. It comes and goes like the weather. You can't build your future on something so unpredictable. But habits? Habits are a system. They are what you do regardless of how you feel. Your daily routine is a quiet architect, building the future you, one brick at a time. The real change isn't just in your actions. It's in your thinking. It's shifting your entire mindset. Stop asking yourself, how can I get rich, fit, or successful as fast as possible? That question sets you up for failure and disappointment. Instead, ask yourself this one simple question every single day. What is one small thing I can do today to become just 1% better? Maybe it's drinking one more glass of water. Maybe it's writing one sentence. Maybe it's reaching out to one friend. Whatever it is, make it so small that you can't say no. Greatness is never built in a day. It is built daily. One tiny, seemingly insignificant step at a time. Your 1% of effort today might feel small, but it's the seed that will grow into your 100% success tomorrow. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your life transform. Thank you so much for watching. If this message resonated with you, consider subscribing for more videos on building a better life. See you in the next one.